Welcome back with another tutorial video of HTML course. In this video we're gonna look at form in HTML. HTML forms are required when you want to collect some data from the users. For example, during users registration you would like to collect information such as name, email address and other information. A form will take input from the users and then will post it to a backend application such as PHP script and ASP script. The backend application will perform required processing on the collected data. There are various forms elements available like text field, text area, drop-down menus, radio button, checkbox, and so on. The HTML form tag is used to create a HTML form, and this is the syntax of HTML form. There are many attributes of form in HTML. Some of them are action, method, target. Let's know about action. Action is backend script ready to process your past data. Next, method. Method to be used to upload data. The most frequently used are get and post method. Next, target. Specify the target window or frame where the result of the script will be displayed. It takes value like underscore blend, underscore self, underscore parent, and so on. It's all about form control, and I'll be back with next video.